The train journey to Koraput is one of the most fascinating train journeys in India. The train travels through fantastic landscapes, through hills, through finest viaducts and tunnels, and you enjoy the essence of Indian Railway if you travel by train to Koraput. Good evening guys, welcome back to your channel. We are back again with another video, and this video is something else, not about cars, it's about travel. And we are going to Koraput. There was an emergency situation, so we need to travel to Koraput. Believe it that we are traveling in a train after a very long time, and that too in sleeper class, because sleeper class was the only option at this 11th hour. तो इंडिया में अगर घूमना चाहते हो तो स्लीपर क्लास इज़ द main class where most of the people travel in Indian railways. Even there are so many modern trains such as Vande Bharat, then you have Tejas, but still 80%, more than 80% of the people are traveling in sleeper class. और इंडिया का पूरा एसेंस आप लेना चाहते हो तो स्लीपर क्लास में ट्रैवल करने से आपको इंडिया का पूरा एहसास और ट्रेन में ही मिल जाएगा. सो जगह नहीं है, सो लेट्स वेट फॉर द ट्रेन. We'll be traveling in 18005 Jagdalpur Express, and its right time is 10:20, so we are waiting for the train to come. तो हम लोग पहुंच गए हावड़ा पे. ट्रेन आ गया 3 घंटा लेट हो छोड़ने में, और that's the reason why people hate Indian railways. And in fact the train is going to start around 3.5 hours late. So you see what it will happen when it reaches the destination. Our right time was around 7 o'clock. So if it reaches at 10 or 11 o'clock, it will be very difficult for us, as there is no transport in those remote locations. तो चलिए आज और ज़्यादा ब्लॉगिंग नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि इतना रात को और थोड़ा सा तो रेस्ट ज़रूरी है. सो टिल देन, and it's goodbye and good night, and tomorrow morning I will show you how the place is and how the journey is. Good morning and welcome back. We are just nearing Tata Nagar, and within few minutes we'll be reaching Tata Nagar station, and the train is around 3.5 hours late. But as per NTA schedule, we can see that it will be able to make up at least 2 hours. So we'll be reaching 1.5 hours late. That's quite good. You can see we have reached almost Jharkhand. We have reached, and you can see the beautiful townships near about Tata Nagar. The rivers are full to the brim at its monsoon season. तो ट्रेन 3 घंटा देर चल रहा है, तो ऐसा स्पीड में जाएगा तो कम से कम 1.5-2 घंटा तो मेकअप कर ही लेगा, क्योंकि NTS में तो वही दिखा रहा है. और अभी हम लोग झारखंड पहुंच गए, और कुछ ही देरों में हम लोग टाटा नगर पहुंच जाएंगे. ट्रेन इज़ एंटरिंग टाटा नगर. टाटा नगर पहुंच गए हम लोग. स्टेशन का बाहर है ये. So we have reached Tata Nagar, and the train is around 4 hours late, and here the stoppage time is around 5 minutes. 5 मिनट तक ट्रेन रुकेगी. अब अगर कोई चाय नाश्ता खरीदना चाहते हो तो स्टॉल्स आर देयर, यू कैन बाई फ्रॉम देयर. So this is Tata Nagar Junction. In this route there is no onboard catering or pantry car, so you have to rely on e-catering or outside food. So make sure that you carry your food while you are boarding the train. So we have left Jamshedpur.
Arrived here by 7 hours on platform number 3.
So we are just near Chakradharpur and train is waiting in the outer signal. Very soon we will be reaching Chakradharpur and the stoppage time is around 7 minutes. I think late has increased further, so it was showing 4 hours. I think it has reached 4.5 hours by now. Let's enjoy some jhalmuri. In English you can call it puffed rice with masala. We have reached चक्रधरपुर. अभी चक्रधरपुर पहुंच गए हम लोग. इधर स्टॉपेज टाइम है 7 मिनट्स. There are some food stalls, only one. So if you need any refreshments, you can buy from here. So the train has left Chakradharpur. Chakradharpur train छोड़ दिया अभी. नेक्स्ट बड़ा स्टेशन आएगा आपका राउरकेला. राउरकेला यहाँ से और 1 घंटा लगेगा. Chakradharpur is quite a big station. You can see a very big parking lot for the two-wheelers, those who travel regularly by train. The extension of Chotanagpur plateau, as you can see, and the train has gathered good speed. अभी अच्छा स्पीड में जा रहा है. Train is passing through a local station named Golkera. Beautiful station beside some hillocks and beautiful scenery, but not a single passenger is there. कोई भी पैसेंजर दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. शायद कुछ लोकल्स हो गए दिन में 1-2 जो ये स्टेशन टच करता है. You can see the beautiful landscape, and this station is Mahadev Shil and it's just below the hillock. You see how beautifully this particular hillock has been carved off to create this railway line, and most probably we will be entering a tunnel here. अगर आपको ये ब्यूटी एंजॉय करना है तो ज़रूर फूड प्लेटिंग करना होगा। और काफ़ी सारा टनल्स आएगा ये रूट पे। जितना और आगे बढ़िएगा उतना और टनल आपको देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए लेट्स एंजॉय दिस ब्यूटीफुल लैंडस्केप। And the train enters the tunnel. We are entering Rourkela. The train is around 5 hours late. एकदम 5 घंटा late. So the chances of making up is very thin. In fact, the train started at around 3.5 hours late from Howrah. राउरकेला पहुंच गया। ये जंक्शन है और इधर 5 से 7 मिनट रुकेगा ट्रेन। Most of the food stalls are closed, I see. So the train will stop for around 5 to 7 minutes. Crowded and busy station. ये स्टेशन काफ़ी crowded और busy है, तो आप देख ही सकते हैं। हमारा 2 कंपार्टमेंट में सीट स्प्लिटेड हो गया। माई वाइफ इज़ इन S1 and I am in S2. So the train has left Rourkela and it's 10:15 now. So from here the next big station is Jharsuguda. So Jharsuguda the train will take a different route because we'll be leaving the Howrah Mumbai trunk route, and from Jharsuguda it will take the branch line towards Rayagada, then Koraput. We are just going to enter Jharsuguda junction. This is also a very important station in this particular route. From here the trains actually take two routes. Those who are going towards Mumbai, Pune, it will take in a different direction, and those who are going towards Sambalpur will take in a different direction. So this is a major junction here. तो यहाँ पर गाड़ी दोनों तरफ जाता है, एक मुंबई की तरफ और एक संबलपुर की तरफ. तो यह गाड़ी रुकेंगे 15 मिनट्स. अभी तक प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं आया, आउटर सिग्नल में खड़ा है हम लोग. So we have reached Jharsuguda and this is a major junction in Odisha. हाँ, train is now it's around 5 hours late. 5 hours late. कि सिग्नल दी छे?
सिग्नल दे दिया?
नहीं. So this is the last major junction in this area, and after that we'll reach Sambalpur. That is another major station. From Sambalpur we'll go to Raigada. There will be a rake reversal. So the last major station is Jharsuguda. झारसुगुड़ा आपका लास्ट मेजर स्टेशन है ये रूट में, और ये काफ़ी बड़ा जंक्शन है. काफ़ी स्टॉल्स, वेटिंग लाउंज, सब कुछ यहाँ पर है. पानी का जो ATM होता है वो भी ये स्टेशन में आपको मिलेगा.
ये सबसे बड़ा स्टेशन है.
हाँ, झारसुगुड़ा. So the train leaves Jharsuguda station. Here the stoppage is for more than 15 minutes. Here you see it's written change for trains for Sambalpur and Titlagar. We'll be diverting towards Sambalpur and Titlagar. तो तितलागढ़ और संबलपुर जाने के लिए यही जंक्शन आपको उतरना है अगर आप दूसरा ट्रेन में आ रहे हैं तो. Finally we have reached Sambalpur. This is one of the major stations in this route, and the stoppage time is of 10 minutes. Here the train will stop for 10 minutes. You have food stalls around S4, S5, but this is a bit on the desolate area and you won't find any food stalls over here. So if you want to take your foods, anything, you should take it over here, because after this it will become more difficult to get your food stuff. So the stoppage time is of 10 minutes. It is a major station. You can see quite a number of platforms are there. Quite humid today, and I was hoping that there would be some rain, but it didn't rain at all. So it's quite humid, but still temperature is quite low, so it's still bearable. Taking a bit stroll in the station area. Seen on Indian Railways. Veg thali. If you want to have. So leaving Sambalpur, train has departed Sambalpur. हाँ, কত ঘন্টা? 6. Now it's around 6 hours late, as each and every stations are coming and the late is increasing by leaps and bounds. You have the option of anda biryani at 100 rupees. It doesn't look like a pure biryani, but still you can quench your thirst. There you have the veg thali. All 100 rupees. Taste कैसा है? मैंने it's okay. Normal. पेट भरने के लिए ठीक है. हाँ, वही बात है.
उतना टेस्ट नहीं.
हाँ, रेलवे का अंडा बिरयानी अच्छा नहीं होता. हम टेस्ट किया है पहले. a place of tourist interest also. There are quite a lot of hotels and resorts in and around this area. So Hirakud also comes. हीराकुद भी एक टूरिस्ट प्लेस भी है.
क्या क्या देखा तुमने?
देखो वहाँ पर वो जो नेशनल हाईवे वो जा रहा है और हीराकुद एक टूरिस्ट प्लेस भी है.
रास्ते से गाड़ी जा रही
हाँ हाँ वो तो नेशनल हाईवे है ना. आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम वी आर hearing the cacophony of car horns.
देखने में आता है सब.
Mostly SUV cars. এটা একটা ইয়ে গেল.
जादू कास्टिंग हो गया अभी तो पूजा करता है.
Railways have improved onboard cleanings very much, and I found that in my entire journey they are cleaning the toilets and the coach floors quite a number of times, and that is a very good improvement which I didn't notice when I was traveling long time back. तितलागढ़ आ गया हम लोग. मिस 4:25 और अभी ड्रिंकिंग वाटर लेना है. The Chipita for Raigarh. This is the last major station.
কত করে চপ?
They are a bit annoyed about Bengal. You know, most of the potatoes that used to come to this place used to be supplied from our state. But due to some reasons, Bengal is not supplying any potato. So the cost of potato has gone up tremendously. So the train leaves Titlagarh and next major station will be Raigarh. Raigarh or Raigarh, whatever you call it. Let's see at what time we reach our destination. Now the train is running at around 5.5 hours late. reach Raigad and Raigada at 17:20.
प्लेटफॉर्म संख्या 1 में छिड़ा हुई है
तो अभी इधर 20 मिनट्स रुकेगा ट्रेन सिंस देयर विल बी अ रेक रिवर्सल द इंजन विल बी द ट्रेन विल रन on the opposite direction, so here it will wait for 20 minutes. So finally at tea. Since there is no onboard catering, here the train will be for 25 minutes, 25 मिनट के लिए
से आने
रुकेगी।
वाली जगदलपुर
उसके बाद
को जाने वाली
फिर ट्रेन वापस इस डायरेक्शन में जाएगी because there will be a rake reversal. इस डायरेक्शन में ट्रेन
पर खड़ी है। May I have your attention?
So the train has started and left Raigada, and you can see we are moving in opposite direction. So there has been a rake reversal here. Another rake reversal will take place at Koraput, but since my destination will be Koraput, so I won't see that particular movement. And you see here most of the stations do have deserted look. Only when the train comes you see passengers and people all around. Otherwise the stations are mostly desolate looking. स्टेशन ऐसे ही पूरा खाली देखने में लग रहा है क्योंकि जब भी ट्रेन आता है तभी कोई पैसेंजर इधर उधर रहता है, जैसे हम लोग का हावड़ा में देखता है कि कितना सारा पैसेंजर्स प्लेटफॉर्म में खड़ा है, ये ट्रेन वो ट्रेन, क्योंकि सारा दिन में 4-5 ट्रेन ही आता है इसी लोकेशन में। Finally we have reached Koraput station and it is 12:30 and I couldn't make any further video. We are very tired. So till then, for tomorrow. Goodbye and please do subscribe.